Hi, in this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how to use MetaMask speedup function. If you're wondering, I'm on the Sepolia test network and I will do a fake transaction on the test network, but the same works on regular Ethereum network. Let's click send, and I have a random address to which I'm going to send some Ethereum. It's going to be a very small amount. And let's pick the gas fee on the next step. And basically, if you want to save on your gas fees, you can enter a very low amount. Let's go to advanced. And we want to have it as low as we possibly can for this example. And let's go to 0. Priority fee is low. Okay. And it's just a warning, and we can click save, and we have the lowest possible fees. And on the real network we could snipe some cheap Ethereum gas fees as well, and we would do a transaction. But because our fee is rather low, it should not confirm very quickly. And we have now a speed up function. We can click speed up, and we can increase our gas fee by 10%. This is the minimum that we would need because MetaMask does not allow to speed up the transaction any less than 10%. So for example, if on the Ethereum mainnet the gas fee was 20 Gwei, and we did the transaction for 20 Gwei, we would need to increase it by 10% to at least 22 Gwei if we would want to speed up. Now, how does the speed up work? You don't spend your gas fee twice. Essentially, it sends the same transaction but with a higher gas fee, and the miners pick up the transaction, and it's because it has a higher gas fee, you get it approved faster. So, for example, you have a very costly operation and you want to have the transaction made as cheap as possible. So you put a very low price on gas, but there is a chance that your transaction might get stuck, and it might even get dropped from the memory pool if it's stuck for a very long time. In that case, you do want to speed up and increase your gas fee to an amount that's the average for the market at that time, which you can find in Ethereum Etherscan. So let's go to Etherscan and let's look at some examples. It's giving me the testnet Etherscan. Let's go to the mainnet to have some good examples, some real numbers. So right now the Ethereum gas fee is 36 Gwei, and let's say we wanted to save on gas fees and we put it at 30 and we would wait. And what if the gas fee went to 50 and our transaction is then stuck? We could then speed it up. Though we might get lucky, and with 30 Gwei we would get our transaction picked up, and we would save money on Ethereum transaction fees. So that's why it is used. And yeah, let's try doing the market rate, submit it, and basically it replaces our transaction with the correct gas fee, and you can see it's now pending, and it should confirm in a few seconds, or maybe we will need to do another speed up, which will be at least 10% more higher in gas fees. So yeah, our transaction got confirmed, and this is how the speedup function works. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below.